What is happening, y'all? This is Brett Jackson Boogie Loves Retirement. And today I picked some greens out of the garden because we're fitting to get a freeze here in Central Texas, down to 17 degrees. So I picked all these greens and I wanted to show you how I process them. So basically what I do is I cut the stems out of the middle and I bag up all the leafage for salads. And then I'll bag up all the stems in the middle and I'll put them in a 3% brine solution and they turn out really crisp and yummy. So basically I'll take my knife and I'll go down the center. And then I'll cut out the stalk like that. Cut it into a manageable size, about half that. And basically that's it. Remember, you can look up the 3% brine solution online, so it's pretty easy.